I love creating flavorful and delicious recipes out of budget-friendly ingredients. So today we are going to be making soybean mince mixture, which we're going to turn into a very mouth-watering dish. Over here I have around 3 cups of soybean, and also I'm going to be adding in a few other ingredients which are so basic. Soybean is high in protein and also has a meat-like texture. Here in Kenya, it's popularly known as saucy and it's very nutritious. So you're going to get started by adding water just above the saucy. This is to soften the saucy, and you're going to wait for around 3 minutes so that the saucy or so that the soybean mixture can soften up. After 3 minutes, the soybean or saucy is going to be looking a little bit pillowy because it has absorbed water. So if there is any excess water, you're going to drain, and then you're going to move over to your stove top and place a pan, a pot, a sufuria over medium heat. Add in a tablespoon or 2 of cooking oil. I'm going to be adding in 1. You're going to add in 1 medium onion to your pan and saute until soft. Once your onion is soft, you're going to add in 2 diced tomatoes, 1 chili, which is quite optional, stir in, and next you're going to be adding in a little bit of cumin. That is half a teaspoon of cumin, and paprika, garlic powder, and a seasoning cube, which is very optional. You can switch the seasoning cube with salt. You can add in a splash of water so that the tomatoes can fully cook. When the tomatoes are ready, you're going to add in your soy minced mixture and stir in everything together to combine. Next, you're going to cook the saucy without adding any water for around a minute. This is going to add in a very nice toasty flavor to the saucy. A quick tip for you: saucy is a great substitute when it comes to proteins because it's cheap, it's delicious, and it's loaded with lots of nutrients. So if you notice that your pan is drying out, you can add in a splash of water. Please don't add in a lot of water because you're going to ruin the dish. I'm going to add in a little bit of salt because I added in a seasoning cube which contains salt. So I'm just adding in some more salt to fully season my dish. And then lastly, I'm going to be adding in some green capsicum, which you can find wherever you are. And then I'm going to cook this over low flame for around a minute. Once the saucy is ready, it's going to be looking so incredible and very flavorful because we added in some cumin, and also the green capsicum is going to add in some very nice flavor. I know, yes, I love adding green capsicum because there's that distinct taste that green peppers or green capsicum add in your dish. So this is a very easy and cheap recipe that you can include in your meal plan or even in your diet because it's filled with nutrients and it's very delicious. Hope you'll be trying out this recipe. Catch you on my next episode. Bye.